Alright, so we open our TextNow account. So we go with do not use location and and select any of these three. I press back. So you press and hold. You wait for it to finish while it's loading. Let's wait and see. Alright, then here is it. We have successfully created our TextNow accounts, and here is our number. Copy. Let's just leave it for now. Skip, and yeah, you can see you can make your call and do everything you want. So let's check it out by using the network is a little bit slow, or let me say bad. Let me pause this and check the internet. And my network is ready to be slow, but let's try this out. Let's just message the number and see. Let's say here. This is network. and yeah, you can see the message has dropped here already. You can see the notification right here that the message has been sent out. And if I clear it, let me remove the font from, so you see what I'm saying. I can do, let's send it again. Let's see if it will pop up. So as you can see now, our account, you can see the message notification again. So our account is ready, and you can text message and do all that with the account. Also, if you want to log in the account, you can log the account by paying for this, going through this, but we are not going to do that in this video. So that's it for this video.